Check out our steel structure basketball court project in Porac, Philippines. If you're planning steel structure sports venues in Southeast Asia, are you worried about structural corrosion under the region's tropical high temperature and high humidity conditions? Concerned about balancing safety and practicality for large span spaces? Or afraid of cost overruns or project delays? This case study is sure to clear your doubts and bring clarity. Let's dive right in. First, we've implemented climate-adaptive design to address your core concerns regarding Southeast Asia's weather. In terms of corrosion resistance and durability, all main steel structure components undergo SAW 2.5 level shot blasting for rust removal, followed by a coating system of Epoxy zinc-rich primer plus acrylic polyurethane topcoat. The dry film thickness is greater than or equal to 80 micrometers, which can resist electrochemical corrosion in the coastal high humidity environment, ensuring a corrosion resistance lifespan of over 15 years. For fasteners, we specifically adopt hot-dip galvanizing technology, eliminating the problem of traditional bolts rusting after just 3 to 5 years of use. In terms of wind load resistance and stability, the project adopts a combined structure of arc truss plus horizontal bracing. With a 50-meter span and no internal columns, 5-5 round steel horizontal braces are arranged at intervals along the span direction to enhance lateral stiffness. The main truss joints adhere to Class II welding standards, equipped with PL 40x400 stiffening ribs. This overall structure can withstand Category 12 typhoons, perfectly adapting to the typhoon season in the Philippines. Now, let's look at the space practicality. The standard size of 33.6 m x 50 m not only meets the requirements of international basketball courts but also adopts a lightweight design with C-section steel purlins to reduce the additional load on the main structure. Compared with traditional concrete venues, the space utilization rate is increased by 20%, and the venue can be flexibly transformed into other multifunctional sports spaces in the future. You may worry that the drawings look good but the actual construction deviates. However, our core advantage lies in standardized management and control, integrating standards throughout the entire project process and ensuring quality through details. First, material traceability and control. The 115.26 tons of steel used for the main structure are all Q235B low-carbon steel, with each batch of materials accompanied by a material certificate. Embedded parts and long bolts are sourced from leading domestic manufacturers, eliminating the risk of shoddy replacement. Second, reliable joint craftsmanship. For the critical connection joints of the steel structure, we adopt a strong joint, weak member design. The foundation connection uses M12/M27 anchor bolts with double nut fastening plus shear key, with an embedding depth greater than or equal to 30D to avoid structural settlement. Purlins are fixed to the main structure with M16x200 expansion bolts at intervals less than or equal to 600 mm, paired with PL 10x150 washers to distribute pressure and prevent purlin deformation. These craftsmanship details have passed third-party testing in the Porac project, with a 100% compliance rate for joint shear bearing capacity. As professional steel structure contractors, we understand that you care not only about quality but also about cost and service. Therefore, we provide transparent services plus customized solutions to help you reduce costs and improve efficiency. Just like the Porac project, our quotation clearly breaks down 4 major components: embedded parts plus main steel structure plus enclosure structure plus production costs, with management fees and profits listed separately. We also specify boundaries such as excluding transportation, taxes, and civil engineering foundations and guarantee no arbitrary price increases within the validity period of the quotation. From scheme optimization and on-site construction supervision to post-completion inspection and maintenance recommendations, we offer a one-stop service, so you don't need to coordinate with multiple suppliers. After saying so much, does this professional design, rigorous processing, and transparent quotation resolve your doubts? Welcome to leave a comment below.